Narendra Modi's inspiring life journey to the office of Prime Minister began in the bylanes of Vadnagar, a small town in North Gujarat's Mehsana district. He was born on the 17th of September 1950. He is the first Prime Minister to be born in independent India. Narendra Modi's formative years taught him early tough lessons as he balanced his studies, non-academic life to spare time to work at the family-owned tea stall as the family struggled to make ends meet. In his early years, Narendra Modi too lent a hand to his father at the tea stall. As a child also, he was very industrious and had an affinity for debates and a curiosity to read books. He was also fond of swimming. His thoughts and dreams went way beyond a conventional life that began in the classroom and ended in the environs of an office. He wanted to go out there and make a difference to society, to wipe tears and suffering among people. He was highly influenced by the works of Swami Vivekananda, which laid the foundations of his journey towards spiritualism and which inspired him to pursue the mission to fulfill Swamiji's dream of making India a Jagat Guru. At the age of 17, he left home to travel across India. For 2 years, he traveled across the expansive landscape of India, exploring various cultures. When he returned home, he was a changed man with a clear aim of what he wanted to achieve in life. He went to Ahmedabad and joined Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. RSS is a socio-cultural organization working towards a social and cultural regeneration of India. It was a tough routine for Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad since 1972 when he became a pracharak for RSS. His day began at 5 a.m. and went on till late night. Late 1970s also saw a young Narendra Modi join the movement to restore democracy in India, which was reeling under emergency. In 1987, a different chapter began in the life of Mr. Modi when he started working as the General Secretary of the BJP in Gujarat. In his first task, Mr. Modi won a victory for the BJP in Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation elections for the first time ever. He also ensured that the BJP was a close second to the Congress in the 1990 Gujarat Assembly elections. In the 1995 Assembly elections, Mr. Modi's organizational skills ensured the BJP's vote share increased and the party won 121 seats in the Assembly. Modi entered his first ever electoral contest in February 2002 by-election that won him a seat in the Gujarat State Assembly. Modi's political career thereafter remained a mixture of deep controversy and self-promoted achievements. His role as a chief minister during communal riots that engulfed Gujarat in 2002 was particularly questioned. He was accused of condoning the violence or at least of doing little to stop the killing of more than 1,000 people, mostly Muslims, that ensued after dozens of Hindu passengers died when their train was set on fire in the city of Godhra. Modi's repeated political success in Gujarat, however, made him an indispensable leader within the BJP hierarchy and led to his reintegration into the political mainstream. Under his leadership, the BJP secured a significant victory in the December 2002 Legislative Assembly elections, winning 127 of the 182 seats in the chamber. Projecting a manifesto for growth and development in Gujarat, the BJP was again victorious in the 2007 State Assembly elections with a seat total of 117 and the party prevailed again in the 2012 polls, garnering 115 seats. Both times, Modi won his contest and returned as Chief Minister. In June 2013, Modi was chosen the leader of the BJP's campaign for the 2014 elections to the Lok Sabha. Modi led the BJP in the 2014 general election, which gave the party a majority in the Indian lower house of parliament, the Lok Sabha, the first time for any single party since 1984. Modi's administration has tried to raise foreign direct investment in the Indian economy and reduced spending on health care and social welfare programs. Modi has attempted to improve efficiency in the bureaucracy. He has centralized power by abolishing the Planning Commission. He began a high-profile sanitation campaign, initiated a controversial demonetization of high-denomination bag notes and weakened or abolished environmental and labor laws. Following his party's victory in the 2019 general election, his administration revoked the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. His administration also introduced the Citizenship Amendment Act which resulted in widespread protest across the country. Described as engineering a political realignment towards right-wing politics, Modi remains a figure of controversy domestically and internationally over his Hindu nationalist beliefs and his alleged role during the 2002 Gujarat riots, cited as evidence of an exclusionary social agenda. News Desk, Karma News.